So guys, I add salt to the water. I'm adding the pumpkin in because it takes the longest to cook. So I pour the entire pumpkin in. And then I have the chicken feet I also put in because they take the longest, so they go in first. As you can see, the soup is already taking the color of the pumpkin. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take out some of the pumpkin, maybe about 90% of the pumpkin, crush it up, and put it back in the soup to give it that thick base consistency. Then I already added some carrots, but I have more to add, so I'm going to add the rest of the carrots and let it cook some more. Okay? So this is about 90% of the pumpkin. I'm going to use a fork and mush it out. You could use fork or you could blend it out, whichever you prefer. Sorry, that's a carrot went AWOL. But you could I'm just going to crush it up. This helps thickens the soup so it's not so watery. And it gives it that nice rich orangey color that we Jamaicans love. If it doesn't give it enough color, that's when the soup mix come into play and give it even more color. So now this is mushy, and I'm going to add it back into the soup now. That's my mother in the background, you guys, if you could hear. So now I'm going to add the rest of the carrot, which is here, and just put it in so it could cook down with the rest of the pumpkin and the chicken foot. Let me see the chicken foot is getting soft. You see how it is? It's not that dry anymore. Look at that. It's getting there. So when it's about maybe 75% cooked or 3/4 of the way cooked, I add the rest of the seasoning, I add the dumpling, and then I finish the process. So I come back. Alright guys, look at the soup. It's nice. The color's coming on. Let me see the chicken foot. Look, see when you see it like that, it's pretty much done. So now well, not pretty much, like another few more minutes. So now I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, and then I'll go over here. So, all right. So I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients, and then we're going to let the finish cook. So guys, I add mostly everything in here to get the soup cooking. So now just let it sit here and continue cooking. Right before it finishes, I'll add the pumpkin mix and the seasoning. So maybe another few more minutes, and then I'll add it in. Let the chicken get to cook some. Then I add it in, and pretty much like 5-10 minutes after that, it's done. All right. I see I have all the goodies in it. So now it's like a hearty meal. I'm just waiting for the soup to get a little bit thicker. When you see these, the carrots, the string bean, and the okra are all from the soup mix. All right. Now it's time to add the final ingredient. A half a stick of butter, some scallions that I already pre-cut up, some pimento seeds, dried thyme, and green pepper. So I'm going to add the butter. Now I'm going to add, well, let me save the pepper for last. I'm going to add the scallion, the pimento, and the thyme. Let me stir that around. So now I'm going to add the entire pack of pumpkin flavor soup mix. It's not a lot. And I'm going to add the pack of cock soup mix, spicy chicken soup mix, and put them in there. This gives the soup additional season and flavor. And then now I mix it in into the soup. See, look at my chicken foot. When you see it like that, you know it's pretty much done. When the skin is like coming off it. Here you go. And then I'm just going to add the pepper for additional flavor. If you want, guys, you could add additional spice to it. Like I have this thing of black pepper. If you want to just, you could add a few more additional spices to it. If you have other kind of season you want to put, like say if you want to put garlic powder in it, you could do that. Or fresh garlic. You could do all of that stuff. All right. And I'll be back when it's time to take a bite of the soup. Bye. Hey guys, look at my soup. So good. So good. Let's take the first bite. So good, guys. I wish you guys should try it. So good. And look at my chicken foot. Good, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.